If your student is struggling with math, they probably don't need more math problems. They need somebody to figure out where the math stopped working for them and make it make sense. Teach it in a way that they can understand and help them move forward. That's what we do at Infinity the Math Institute. We're not just here to get tonight's homework done or teach a student enough tricks to pass the next test. We want them to actually understand the mathematics. Sometimes that means going back and repairing a skill that they never completely learned. Sometimes it means helping with what they're doing in class right now. And whenever we can, we like to get a little bit ahead because when a student has already seen a concept and understands the basics, suddenly the teacher at school is making a lot more sense. Class becomes reinforcement instead of the first time they've ever seen the material. Because the goal is not just to get a better grade on the next test. It's a student who understands math better, feels more confident walking into class, and is better prepared for every math course that comes after it. Because once math really makes sense, you'll realize math is just counting.